TV and anopay story be so trend or Ghana any Nigeria memo. Maba wa mienu abakwe Ghana na friend Abigail Efiba na Nigeria ni so friend Celine na cheso woma fa namfo ache kakra omo wa kwanchom eye Dubai na namfo fa ne mutumi se we omani dwom ho pa enti eye Celine tumi di Abigail chi ba Ghana womo ba ji omani do so po mo ho bia no masa ko na em se edu eye Celine so na bibi ekoso ewo Nigeria enti na wo se woni Abigail efi Dubai eko Nigeria kodi omudwuma womo bedi na hwehwemu asese enya ne se na chese Celine no wo ye hook up na so ye mframa mu dodie ni bi wo hu be madan hia ne da so no ne di do I miss you se adwuma ni bi na wo ye fe no hook up no wo hu ne da so no atra ma be ma say I miss na be ma so ama no reply when I get you I will hu niema na no odin nsem no anu odin pa na Celine no tum say nhwehwemu jese wo ye hook up no mo kodu Nigeria no mo kodu fefefe mfoni ana itrese wo mo kodu a wo mo fa ka akohia eye Celine online boyfriend na jese zamfoni ni nyina twagu na sabre nhwehwemu yensa kan se eye suspect ba ko a yenya na ye nim se wo no eniba bi asa Celine Abigail won yensa kan na wawu wa film sa suspect no wawu enti eye online boyfriend ye friend Andrew no ono na sesi a obefa eye mmaba wa mienu efi Nigeria kon ono ne fie ekodi ntete omo emmawe tumi video ni dem mpaboa ne manyina ede be kira bonten na enti enije ne course wie ni na afi de mmaba we afi ye hu omo hear about na chese si ye kidnap omo si ye ku omo se omo ye den na Andrew wono so ye hu ba bia wono so afa asem ayayam hihia ma sabi Abigail na busuafo e Ghana wo mo watakwade atumi atwa flight afia akọ Nigeria ekohwehwe wo mo de hie na asem no aye arehoseba ni busuani ba ko ono akse no num nsem ni wakohwie mu e wo Nigeria ne ne wako hu no yenti na num nsem emra sesia.
I'm here with the Ghanaian lady, the brothers who came in all the way from Ghana, and we're together in Abuja, IROT office in Abuja, for the case of their sister who went missing with Celine. Almost a month now, they have not been found. Although the suspect has been arrested, but they have their update on this matter that will be reviewed soon too. So I'm here with them. They are in Abuja and please.
On the death or the killing of Andrew Chopo, the man who is involved in the disappearance of the two friends, Celine and Afiba. All right. From this point, the police should be the one to tell us what happened to Andrew. You understand? So I am not a police spokesperson. I only did my investigation, find out the truth, and also have to update it. So they are the one. We'll wait for them to tell the world what happened, the story of what transpired. Because for me, I saw him, I saw the dead body, like I saw the picture, the video, and I saw everything. So they are the one that will now tell the world what transpired. Because killing him will really not prove should investigators or anything where the guests are. So for me, as a person, I've done my best. So I believe they are now telling the world what happened to this man. What happened to this man? Where is this man currently? And what's going on? That's what for me.
Who is behind the sudden death of Andrew Amechi? Like, how can Andrew die at the peak of his murder case? I don't want to believe that the men of Nigerian police have a hand in this whole saga. This whole thing is blowing my mind up. Where is Celine and Afiba Tendo? Are they dead as claimed by social activist Adetong? What in God's name is happening, for crying out loud? Adetong stated that there is ample evidence to prove that some men of Nigerian police is working with Andrew. She alleged that they sold him a gun which he uses to launch attack on his unsuspecting victims. Andrew had gotten the gun at the tune of 6 million naira. Why would Nigerian police sell a gun to a private citizen knowing full well it's against the law? Who is behind this whole mess? Andrew was supposed to be in Abuja for proper investigation and possible prosecution. But we learned that he had died, that he was killed by some local vigilante group. What in God's name is this cock and bull stories? He was killed while trying to escape with his car. How? He had access to his car? How? The Nigerian police should make it make sense to us. Like he was driving himself or what? Someone that was meant to be handcuffed under close scrutiny? How did the local vigilante group get access to him when he was meant to be accompanied by heavy security? Why travel by road when they should use flight? See how solid evidence is suddenly wiped off. Okay. Let's assume that he is dead as presumed. Where then is his corpse? Are there people trying to bury and cover this case? Where is the lifeless body of the duo of Celine and Afiba? Is Andrew Amechi Ochekwo part of organ harvesting syndicate? What the hell is wrong with Nigeria? Can't rule of law take its course and citizen gets justice? I don't even know how to feel about Celine and Afiba's family. I learned that Afiba's brother flew into Nigeria in search of their missing sisters. Andrew is clearly a monster, and Celine and Afiba is his worst nightmare. I pray those with more incriminating evidence comes out to speak. Please come out for the sake of those girls, so that their family will find closure about the whole puzzle. Nigeria is a jungle. May Nigeria never happen to us. Amen.
Me da sisa wo twen.